Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we will be discussing about the post market report for the day. As you can see in front of your screen, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the American market traded at 26,642.59, which was fairly hike of 556.79 points. In terms of percentage, it was a hike of 2.13%. Whereas now coming on to the Indian markets, the Nifty last traded today at 10,618.20 rupees, which was a marginal hike of 10.85 points and 0.10% in plus. Now coming on to the charts, the markets open, Indian markets open on gap up. There was a bullish trend observed in the starting of the session, but later on it carried out a slow momentum, and eventually it was a bearish trend noticed by the end of the day. But eventually in the ending session, the market recovered marginally. As you can see, here are the top gainers and losers for the day, but we shall be discussing about the top 5 gainers and losers, and the top 5 gainers are Wipro, Infi, HCLTech, Tech Mahindra, TCS, whereas the top 5 losers are Reliance, Bharti Airtel, Zeal, GAIL, Infratel. No, but the topmost gainer for the day was considered as Wipro itself. And now coming on to the another thing, I have added a new section of the sectors which contribute to NSE. So over here the topmost contributor is the Reliance from oil exploration and production sector, which contributed 155.89. Apart from that, there were other companies like Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finance, HDFC, Bajaj Finserv, Adani, and several others who contributed. But the biggest of all was Reliance itself. Uh, as you can see over here, it was much awaited today, the 15th, for Reliance Industries Limited, as they were going to conduct their 43rd annual general meeting. And in their 43rd annual general meeting, Mukesh Ambani, who is the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries, announced about signing partnership and investment agreement with Google, which shall invest rupees 33,737 crore rupees for acquiring 7.7% stake in Geo Platforms. With this, Google shall become the 13th investor in Reliance Industries and second biggest stakeholder in Geo, that too after Facebook. This was one news which was awaited to be heard in this AGM. Apart from that, there is a news being discussed about Saudi Aramco deal, but hasn't yet seen any progress on that. So on that, Mukesh Ambani had to say that the deal has not progressed as per earlier timeline. So this is with both the newses. Apart from that, he made several other announcements which shall be discussed progressively in further videos. Apart from that, today Yes Bank opened its FPO, which shall be FPO shall be open from today until 17th of July. Well, that's it guys. I hope you like the video. I'm regularly making changes in my videos and in the platform through which I make the videos, so that you get more good content out of it, and everything is perfect over there, so that you can hear it, you can hear as well as see what is the best of the best. But I would require some more time, I suppose, and in that time I really required your support as well as your motivation. uh, there were one of our subscriber, in fact several of our subscribers commented us regarding the audio issue, that the audio was not 100% perfect. There was a lack of 10 to 15%. So we tried to rectify that, and eventually we came up to that limit wherein we get 100%. So that has been rectified, as well as the platform from which we are taking this screen recording was not perfect enough. So we have replaced the screen recorder as well. So we are regularly making changes, and as you can see that I have added a few more topics to be discussed in the post market report, and slowly I shall make them custom so that it would be easy for you to take and digest the content and make the production out of it. So this is what I'm trying at the moment. I need your support as well as your motivation badly. Well, I think I will end my video over here. I hope you like my video. And if you like my video and haven't yet subscribed my channel, I will request you to subscribe my channel. At the same time, click on the bell icon. Over here also I would like to make another announcement, that there was an issue with the bell icon earlier. So whoever subscribed previously didn't get to see the enabled bell icon. Well, that issue has been rectified as of yet. So I would request either you go again, unsubscribe me and resubscribe me by clicking on the bell icon, so that once the benefit out of bell icon is that you will be notified whenever I upload another video. So it will be beneficial both to you and also to me, of course, because I'm in dire need of watch time and subscriptions. Also, I would request you to share this channel info in with your family and friends, so that more number of subscribers get attached to my channel, and I grow like that. uh, I hope to come up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.